For this demo, let's pretend I'm a business systems manager prepping for a custom integration. Here's what that system looks like in Salesforce compared to HubSpot. In Salesforce, prepping for a custom integration usually requires a couple different tools. I start in Setup, search for data, and choose the right data tool for the job. The data import wizard handles smaller updates, but anything larger or anything involving complex mapping, multi-object updates, or bulk volumes requires data loader. In Data Loader, I authenticate, choose Insert or Update, upload to CSV, map fields, and set where success or error files will save. After it runs, I fix any failed rows and check bulk data load jobs in Setup to confirm everything's completed correctly. If the org uses Data Cloud, there's an added layer, creating a data stream, mapping it to a data model object, deploying it, transforming the data, and then using a scheduled flow to push clean data back into the CRM records. And in most enterprise Salesforce environments, MuleSoft serves as the middleware layer teams rely on to orchestrate APIs, transform data, and connect Salesforce with ERPs, MAPs, or data warehouses. Salesforce also supports direct integrations through connected apps and custom APIs and setup, but these typically sit outside a data preparation workflow and require additional admin configuration. In HubSpot, all my data governance and integration prep lives in one place. I go to Data Management, Data Quality, where I can review duplicates, formatting issues, enrichment match rates, and property level insights. In Properties, I check for unused fields, duplicates, anomalies, fill rates, and internal usage so the schema stays clean and aligned with the business, all without using third-party tools. For file uploads or association changes, Import and Sync handles everything. HubSpot flags mapping issues, required fields, and invalid values before processing anything, so I don't have to download and review separate error files. If the data needs cleanup first, Transform lets me reshape or standardize data before syncing it into the CRM objects. For integrations, connected apps show every app I have installed, and lets me connect new apps and manage app-level activity from a single screen. And when I need something custom, private apps let me generate scoped API tokens, view logs, monitor API call usage, and work with sandboxes or test accounts. With Data Quality, Properties, Import and Sync, Smart Transfer, Transform, Connected Apps, and Private Apps under one umbrella, HubSpot gives me a consolidated, predictable way to manage data and prepare integrations. Thanks for watching. For a closer look, a side-by-side comparison chart sits below this video with the full guide linked at the bottom of the page.